there, welcome to Create Your Own. This week with Create Your Own, we're going to be designing your own shoelaces. Take out the supplies that you found in your bag, cardboard and your shoelace, and if you have a piece of tape handy, tape one end to the cardboard. Then wrap it around the cardboard piece. Once you get to the end of the shoelace, go ahead and tape the other end down. Now, the fun. Design using the permanent markers. You'll want to make sure that you take your two fingers and kind of press down. It'll keep the shoelace from wiggling. Don't press too long onto the shoelace or it'll bleed through. Another tip, be sure that you are doing it on the cardboard because you might make a little bit of an extra line, and I'd rather it be on the cardboard than on a table. Continue with all different kinds of colors and make your own fabulous designs. Once that's completely dry, take it off and start your second one. Again, any kind of design, you are in charge. So go ahead and make any kind of patterns, zigzags, stripes, dots, peace signs, whatever you like. Let me know how you did. Tag me on our Instagram page @ManliestLibrary, #Miss Wendy.